Hello, my name is Lily and welcome to Lily's Cooking and News. On today's episode, I will be making Monterey Jack cheeseburgers and fries. First, start off cutting your potatoes into 1/4-inch wedges and spread onto a pan lined with tin foil and greased with olive oil. You may need more olive oil later for the fries. Season with your favorite seasonings. I have done Old Bay seasoning. This is a pre-packaged seasoning that I'm using. You can add a little extra salt and pepper if you desire to. Place them into your oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, more or less, or until desired. While those are cooking, cut your onion in half and then into thin slices. Place them into a pan to saute with a little balsamic vinegar. While those are sauteing, you want to take your garlic clove, peel and mince it. Add the garlic to the bowl, however much, the whole clove or only half, however much you choose. Add in some mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. Mix it and place it into your fridge for later. Next, while the onion is sauteing, take your beef, split it into even quarters, roll it into balls, and flatten them. They should be a little wider than your burger buns. After putting your sauteed onions into a bowl when they are done, take your beef patties, season both sides with salt and pepper, and place into that same pan. Once they are fully cooked through, you're going to want to take your Monterey Jack cheese, place it on the top, and cover your pan with a lid to melt the cheese. Finally, you want to add the potato wedges to your plate. Spread the mayonnaise mix on the top or bottom bun. Place on your patty, sauteed onions, and any other desired toppings/condiments. Put on the top bun and serve. Now for the newest news. A Colorado man named Bob Salem pushed a peanut, that's right, a peanut, to the top of Pikes Peak, only using his nose. According to the Colorado Springs Visitor Information Center, Mr. Salem spent 7 days straight pushing a peanut up a 14,115-foot mountain, using only his nose with a spoon attached to a mask. Mr. Salem started his hike at 9 a.m. on July 9th and officially completed his journey sometime around sunrise on July 15th, all while carrying 40 pounds worth of stuff, crawling on his hands and knees. And although it sounds crazy, he was actually the 4th person in history to take on this challenge, the first being a man named Bill Williams, who took a $500 bet that he could complete the push in 22 days. That's all for today. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to Little News Ears for more videos. May your sweetness shine and your colors glow.